morning, everyone, especially to you, sir. So our topic is all about median and group data. Median is a type of average that shows the middle value of set of numbers when they are arranged in order from smallest to largest. So, for example, numbers. Imo siyang bahigon from smallest to largest mo ni siyang 2, 4, 5, 9. Here's how to find it. Arrange the numbers in order. So, wala siya na, mo ni siya numbers, then wala siya na-arrange. So, i-arrange ni mo siya from smallest to largest. Find the middle value. For example, 3, 7, 9. So, ang iyahang median is 7, kaya mo na siya na sa tunga. If there is an odd numbers of value, the middle one is the median. So, kung odd number siya, ang nasa tunga nga usa ka number mo na siya median. If there is an even number of values, get the two middle numbers and find their average and then divide by 2. So, for example, even number, kay upat na sila. So, duha ang imuhang kwaon nga middle numbers, dahil i-divide siya og 2 para makuha na to ang median. So, mani, 4 plus 5 divide 2 equals 4.5. So, ang atong median is 4.5. That's all. Thank you.
Example, odd number of values, number 3, 7, 9. So, odd na siya, kaya tulura ka number. Then, order already 3, 7, 9. So, ang ipakita kaya ang middle sa 3, 7, 9 is 7. So, the median is 7. So, sa example number 2, ang even number of value, numbers 5, 2, 9, 4. So, order them 2, 4, 5, 9. The two number of middle kay ang 1, 4 of 5. Then, imo siya i-plus. Imo siya i-plus nimo then tayo yun sa i-divide. I-divide nimo og 2, 4, 5, 4 plus 5 equals 9 divided by 2. So, 4.5. So, the median is 4.5.
And group data.
Ungroup data means raw data not organized in a frequency table. So the median is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So steps to find the median. Number 1, order the data. Arrange all the data points in ascending order from smallest to largest. Number 2, count the data points. Determine the total number of observation. So as the data set. So number 3 is apply the formula based on N.
If N is odd, the median is the middle value. You find its position by using the formula. Position N plus 1 divided by 2. If N is even, there are two middle values. The median is the average mean of these two numbers. You find their position using the formulas. Position number 1, 1 equals N divided by 2. Position number 2, N divided by 2 plus 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Jonalyn Torres. So today I'm gonna give you an example of median of ungroup data. Since Christine Lindayo and Raymond Catalan already give you the definition of median of ungroup data, and today I'm gonna give you an example of odd numbers of ungroup data. So before I discuss this, I'm gonna recall the formula that they discussed of ungroup data. So if N is odd, the median is the middle value. So you find its position by using the formula. Our position is equals to open parentheses N plus 1 close parentheses over 2. So that is the formula. Example 1, odd numbers of data points. So our data is 3, 9, 4, 1, 7. In order to get the answer, we should follow these steps. Step 1, order. We need to arrange the data points in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. So 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. Step 2, count N is equals to 5. Odd na siya. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dali na ito ikuha kung asa ang n. Our step 3 is to calculate. Open parentheses, 5 plus 1, close parentheses, divide 2. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 6 divided 2 is equals to 3. So, the answer is, the median is the third observation, which is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, mo ni siya ito ang median of ungroup data in example of odd numbers of data points.
Good morning everyone, especially user. Today I'm gonna give you another example of median of ungroup data. I'm gonna read formula first. If n is m, there are the two middle values. The median is the average mean of these two numbers. You can find their position using the formula. So position 1 equals 1 equals n divided 2. So position 2 equals open parenthesis n divided 2 close parenthesis plus 1. Data not arranged 25, 30, 27, 22, 35, 40. Step 1 order 22, 25, 27, 30, 35, 40. Step 2 count. So ako i-count ang sa data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ano siya ay n equals 6, 7. Sa step 3, calculate. n divided by 2 equals 6 divided by 2 equals third position. n divided by 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals fourth position. The values are 27 in the third and 30 which is fourth.
Median of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data are raw observations not arranged into classes. Number 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. Number 2. Find the position of the median using median position. N plus 1 equals 2, where n is the number of observations. Number 3. Identify the value of the position. If n is odd, the middle value is the median. If n is even, then the median is the average of the two middle values.
So guys, this is a sample and group data. Teacher records the test scores of 10 students, 72, 85, 90, 75, 88, 95, 80, 85, 70, 100. This is ungrouped data because the values are just less individually. If we organize these scores into range like 70, 79, 80, 89, 90, 100. Can count of many fall into each and count and range, then it becomes group data.
So this is a group data. So 70 to 79 kay tuloy nakakuha. So ang 80 to 90 kay tuloy gyapon. So ang 90 to 100 so upat na ang nakakuha. So this is a teacher records to the best score of the 10 student.
Example of ungrouped data.
Example of ungrouped data. The scores of 10 students in math quiz are 5, 7, 8, 6, 10, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 10 students is even number. Yan na siya nato siya sa ascending order. So, muna siya sa 10 students na nakuha o 2 ka 5, 2 ka 6, 2 ka 7, o 2 ka 8, then isa ka 9 o 10. So, how to get the median? Pag ba sa median kay muna siya nimo sa 5th and 6th. Ang 5th and 6th kay kani 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 ka 7. Muna siya 5th of 6. Muna siya. So, i-plus na siya nimo ang 5th and 6th. So, 7 plus 7 was 14. Then, ang 14, i-divide mo siya og 2 or 7. Ang gawas sa yung i-divide sa 14 divide 2, kay mo na siya yung median.
Definition of ungrouped data.
Additional definition of ungrouped data, it refers to set of individual observation or measurement that are listed separately, without any groupings or categorization. Each data point is distinct and retains its original value, allowing for precise calculation and analysis.
Another simple definition of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data is raw data that is arranged individually without any categorization or grouping. It's just a collection of individual data points.
Group data.
This data is organized into class intervals with corresponding frequencies. So median formula, lower boundary of median class, L plus N total frequency divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency that is CF, then or frequencies times class width that is H.
So, ayon na sa frequency. Sa pagkuha ng frequency, ano man ang delay o delay lang score. So, 1 is delay na siya utang. 1, 9 is delay. 20, 16, 14, 5 is delay. 19, 13 is delay. 8 is Japan. 7 ada jamnya. 18 is delay. 15 is delay. 3 ya. And 17 is delay. 10 is delay. 11 12 4 5 So, muna na siya itong frequency. So, ato siya i-1 o number. So, R is 3, 5, 4, 4, 4. So, muna na siya ito ang frequency. Then, ang sa pagkuha sa lower limit boundary is, ang lower, ang kuwan is, i-kuwan na ito siya o, minusan na ito siya, i-subtract na ito siya o 1.5. Then, ang upper limit is nasa natin ito 0.5. So, kanisiya is 0.5. 0.5. Then, ang 4 is 4.5. Then, 4.5 minus 8.5. Then, 8.5 minus 12.5. Then 13 is 12, so 12, then 5, then ganun siya, is muna na ito 0.5. Muna na siya ito ang lower limit boundary and upper limit boundary. So, ang pagkuha na ito sa cumulative.
Go.
So, sa pagkuha na ito sa cumulative frequency is, ano ito siya is, kaning 3 is automatic utang na ito sa delay. Then, i-add na ito siya. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then, kanina po, 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Then, 16 plus 4 equals 20. So, ano na siya ito ang cumulative frequency. First is, imo na po ang median. Yan. So, ang una ng bottom is, ang frequency is total nimo. 3 plus 5 equals 8 plus 4 equals 12 plus 4 equals 16 and plus 4 equals 20. So, ang atong n ay 20. So, ang atong n ay 20. So, ang pagkuha sa median nila is, ang paon nyo katunga sa 20. So, katunga sa 20 is 10. So, asa na nila ng 10? So, di ba direct? So, paon siya, binigay na, hindi direct. Muna siya ang median na ito. Median class. Median class.
niya. So, diya ka mo kuha ko, ano? So, nakita ka na ito ang median class, so, mag-solve na ta. So, ang formula na kami is kani. So, L plus N divided by 2 minus CN divided by Fn. Fn is frequency of median class and times edge or width. Correct? And then, ang kuha na ito kay L plus 0 lower boundary na. So, dirita magkuha na ang median niya kini. So, kini 8.5 at kapaon. So, N equals 8.5 plus, so, ang atong F ay 21 divided sa coefficient 10 minus CF. So, ang CF niya kay 1 cumulative frequency before class. So, kanina na itong class, so ang cumulative frequency niya kaning 8. So, 8 ang minus. Then, divided by frequency, bilang frequency sa 8 lang more. So, 4. And then, i-times mo siya sa bed. So, ang width niya kaya nakuha na naman ito rate. So, 4 ang bed. So, yan na. Then, ano na siya? F.5 plus subtract naman 10 minus 8 plus 2 divided by 4 times 4 Japon. Magkapiyon. Then, kanay kapiyon sa naman 8.5 then plus magkapiyon din 2 divided by 4 equals 7.5. So, times 4. So, kay i-plus ng kaso, unahan na ito ang multiplication. So, kapiyon mo rin F.5 plus kani. I-times mo, ang 0.5 times 4 equals 2. So, ang answer niya kay 8.5 plus 2 equals 10.5. So, mao ni siya ang median.